So I'm going to start it from here and here. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another RC Electronics repair. Now today we have a headphone, a Bluetooth gaming headset that does not power on. This brand of headphone is called the KOFIRE. It seems to be a manufacturer defect, or assumed to be a manufacturer defect, because it does take charge out the box but doesn't power on. Now I'm a bit familiar with these headphones, and especially this brand, in terms of what might be the issue. So I'm gonna attempt a repair and see if that solves that problem. Now, one of the things you need to do is to remove the earmuff, and we need to remove these 3 screws. Now this doesn't always work, but on headphones with this type of circuit board, it tends to be able to solve that issue. So let's get in here, and I'm going to show you what I need to do in order to have that issue solved. Alright, I'm going to zoom in a bit, and just to show you the points that needs to be have a wire soldered to it in order for that to be solved. Now I'm going to be soldering a wire from the B plus of the battery to the V bat here. It's ground and there's V battery. So that's right here. So I'm going to solder it from here and here, and then test and see if that solves the issue. So no matter how much you press it, it will not power on or see the headphone light up. Well, let's see. I'm gonna need a piece of wire, and that piece of wire, and I'm gonna add a bit of flux to it, both ends. And I'm also gonna need to add a bit of flux to the points on which I'm soldering that jumper wire, which is here, on there, on there. And let's see if my solder gun is hot, so that I can just clean the solder gun tip a bit. Solder gun is at about 350 degrees, so just quickly tend to be like this. So we solder this together. Let's see if we can go ahead and solve that issue. Hopefully it will be a permanent fix. As I said, well, I'm familiar with that kind of issue, and on another brand, let's hope on this brand it's solvable. Several of these headphones tend to have the same manufacturer, just a different brand name that is on them. I think this one might be a bit too tall, so let me cut it in half. 16 the points I'm gonna be soldering to. And let's pour this on and let's see. I want to break the wires. There we go. Power's on. Let's see if I can pour the lights. And there you go. Alright, so let me just let's pull it off again and test if it's charging. Here we go. And yes, it does. Alright, I'm going to be putting this back together. And that's how you solve that issue. These headphones, it seems they tend to freeze up, and that seems to be one of the ways you solve that issue. I'm gonna get this back together. Add these screws back and make sure it's all buttoned up. This one. Two. And 3. So there you go. And just like that, this headphone is back and functioning. Power on. And no longer looks like it's a dead headphone. You have a fully functioning headphone. Now this has been another IC Electronics repair. Thanks for watching, and give a like, a subscribe, and a comment. That would be much appreciated. Until next time.